Writers, something magical happened yesterday when you were working on your work. Your writing and your stories, they came to life. I loved seeing your Screencastify videos of you telling everyone about your stories. So today I want to teach you something new, writers. Writers try out different leads. They know, just as all of you do, that a lead in a story matters. A great lead sets us up to write a great story. And great writers know that the lead of a story helps the rest of the story really pour out. One way to learn to do something as writers is to see how famous writers do whatever it is that we want to do. So let's take a look again at Come On Rain. I want you to think at the beginning of the story, what is this author doing at the start, the lead of her story? Come on, Rain, I say, squinting into the endless heat. Mama lisps a listless vine and sighs. 3 weeks and not a drop, she says, sagging over her parched plants. The sound of a heavy truck rumbles past. Uneasy, Mama looks over to me. Is that thunder? Tessie, she asked. Mama hates thunder. I climb up the stairs for a better look. It's just a truck, Mama, I say. So I'm thinking here, what has the author done that I could do? So the first thing I was really noticing the author did there is she had Tessie doing a small action in the very first line. She's saying, come on, Rain, while squinting into the endless heat. In my mind, if this were a play, as soon as the curtain opened, the main character would be up on stage doing something. So what I'm noticing a lead can sometimes include is the main character thinking or doing a specific action. And Hess really plops us right into that story. And she gives us those exact actions of Tessie's mother as she responds back. I also notice is that she really seems to keep a movie in her mind. She doesn't just tell us. She really shows us what she's going to be doing. So let's take a look at a few other examples that you great writers can try. So we're going to look at a few examples of leads you can write, and then you're going to go try at least 2 of these today in your writing. So here's an example of an action that hooks the reader. Come on, Rain, I say, squinting into the endless heat. Starting with some dialogue. It's just a truck, Mama, I say. Setting the scene. It was a cold day in January, and I was sledding in the park with my family. And I know you guys love this one, so I kept this one in here. Sound effect or some figurative language. Crash, bang, boom. I heard scary noises in my closet. I know that's definitely a story I would love to go and read. All right, writers, now it's your turn to go try out 2 of those leads. You've got 4 different ones you can try, but pick at least 2 and craft 2 different leads for your story. Then come back here for your mid-workshop teaching point.